Yo YouTube, what's happening? This is your boy Kobus, the realest OG. It's been some time, man. It's been some time, but we are back. We are back. Okay. So this is what I'm going to be breaking down. What is it that I see on gold and silver. Okay. So with gold and silver, firstly I see that gold has been aggressively bullish, and then we entered a daily gap, and then we started to reject. Okay. So I see that we had a sell buy side liquidity resting above here, and then we just swept it. After we had swept it, market just dropped significantly. Like, this is a huge drop. So I go down to 2 hour, and then I see this buy model. So right now I'm anticipating that this gap is going to hold price, but we're going to wait and see how the market reacts around this gap. Okay, so far that's what I'm seeing on gold. I'm expecting bearish prices, and then when I go to silver, I see we had this on silver. We had a daily order block which we traded into. Okay, and then we rejected. It came back once more into it. So when gold was making a higher high from relative to this, silver was not. Silver is making lower lows. There's some crack of correlation. No, this side. You see the trick. So there is SMT here. Gold is making higher highs, and then silver is failing to make higher highs. So there is SMT divergence in there. That's my signal that there's going to be a reversal. Okay, so when I'm looking at this, I saw that silver traded into a daily order block. Okay, and then it traded once, it rejected, it didn't push back like aggressively. Again, here we didn't have a model creation, but here if you check, we swept liquidity how many times? We swept this buy side here, and we also swept this buy side with this move. And check how the next reaction was like. It dropped drastically. So when we go to smaller time frames, you can actually see that this is a model. Okay, and this, I suppose it's in premium. Let's confirm that. You see where the upper end of that lies. Okay, it may go and retrace maybe higher, but from here I'm expecting bearish prices, or I'm expecting this gap. Okay, if not this gap, this candle, the last down close candle, which is our breaker block, to also hold price. So we just swept liquidity on a higher time frame, and then now we saw a big drop, okay, creating a buy model, a sell model. So here we are expecting, I want to see market continue to push price down. Note that I may be wrong about this. I want to see if my buyers will unfold the way I anticipate. And remember, this is for educational purposes, not generating signals. So we're just gonna wait now and see how the market closes. I can say in premium of this range. So this is my dealing range here now, from this high at 31.47800 to this low. Okay, so I want to see how the market will behave when it retraces, because we just swept some liquidity. I think we had a sort of divergence again on a small time frame. If you can check here, okay, let me add gold, silver. Let's see if there was divergence here. Nope, there was no divergence. There was, but this one I wanted to see if there was one here. Now here, when we were making higher highs, we also made higher highs here, but these ones are like, this is like a fake move. It's just the week, we didn't go with bodies, but if you check this side, we went with bodies. Okay, but if you check from this high to this high, gold has been making higher highs, silver has been making has been failing to make like a higher than this high. So I can say that this is another formula of like SMT. Okay, so the mandate is clear. We're just going to see how the market reacts. We're just going to see how the market reacts inside these gaps. It's also visible. I can say the 4-hour gap is also overlapping with maybe the 2-hour and the hourly chart. This is nice. I hope the market like our price actually respected, but it's Monday, we don't know what's going to happen this week. Okay, so we're just going to let price to unfold the way it has planned to unfold. If the unfolding matches up with our bias or anticipation, then we are right. I'm signing out. It's peace and love. I'm out.